E-commerce is the most fastest growing industry worldwide. No doubt, the opportunity of selling things online had a great impact on business growth. You can buy almost everything in just one click. Whether or not you are in your home, your day-end shopping cart won't be empty. So, today, we are about to share some interesting facts about e-commerce industry that you may not have heard before. Let's get started. The first pizza in the town. Do you know, the first thing that ever sold online was pizza? Yes. Pizza Hut offered the first online order for their pizza in 1994. It was one of the first major brands to experiment with online commerce. And they built their first website PizzaNet in 1994. However, the website's still there. You can still visit the website, but not available for ordering pizza. The Godfather of online shopping. A limited number of people know the name of the Godfather of online shopping. Michael Aldrich, an inventor and entrepreneur. Yes, he was the godfather of online shopping. Invented in 1979. He was the man who introduced the world with the technique called e-commerce. In one of his interviews with BBC, he told that what I had done was making shopping functional, anytime, any place, anywhere. So, back then, anyone can purchase goods with Videotex's help that was linked with television. Say hi to Mrs. Snowball. Mrs. Snowball, a history. Yes, she became the world's first online shopper in 1984 through Videotex. Using a system created by Godfather, she shopped through her TV remote from the local Tesco shop. First profit after 8 long years. Remember Amazon? The first e-commerce website is the largest one till now around the globe. But the journey of this e-commerce giant was quite frustrating. According to history, Amazon launched in 1995. But unfortunately, they didn't make any profit for the first 7 years. Hard to believe, right? After 7 whole years, in 2003, the curse was removed. And it recorded its first yearly profit at earned $35 million. Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal, the youngest Indian billionaires. There are a few numbers of entrepreneurs in India aged under 40. Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal are 2 of them. These youngest Indian billionaires are the founder of Flipkart. In 2015, they were in 86th position in Forbes India Rich list and then climbed to 65th position within a year. Moreover, in 2016, they recorded an individual wealth of $1.24 billion each. Half of the online buyers prefer to use their mobile device to purchase from online. Here is the major part that one should not ignore while building an e-commerce website. Half of the online buyers prefer to use their mobile devices to purchase online. But the question is, why? Because people can buy anything from anywhere they live. Even though they are on public transport, they will get the desired basket at the day end. E-commerce business has indeed a growing future. By the year 2040, it's estimated that 95% of all purchases will be through e-commerce. These statistics point to the fact that e-commerce is already the best way for businesses to expand their inventory and sales growth. This is due to new technology, faster checkout, and easily compared prices of goods. However, more people are also concerned about the lack of security for online shopping. If retailers can ensure that their shoppers will have the most pleasant and safe experience by shopping online, there's no reason for shoppers to go in-store. So, what do you think about e-commerce industry? Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned with us for more exciting video. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family.